In today's video, I will show you how to clean an artificial Christmas tree. Hey there, fellow holiday enthusiast. As we gear up for the most wonderful time of the year, let's talk about something that doesn't often get the spotlight: cleaning that trusty artificial Christmas tree. I know it might not sound as exciting as hanging ornaments or sipping cocoa by the fireplace, but trust me, a sparkling tree can make all the difference in creating that festive magic. So grab a cup of your favorite holiday brew, put on some jolly tunes, and let's dive into the art of giving your artificial tree the TLC it deserves. Step 1. The once-over inspection. Before we break out the cleaning supplies, let's give our tree a thorough once-over. Check for any casualties from last year's festivities, loose branches, missing needles, or any other battle scars. Patch things up as needed, ensuring your tree is in tip-top shape before the cleaning fiesta begins. Step 2. Assemble your cleaning arsenal. Alright, time to gear up for the cleaning crusade. Here's what you'll need: a trusty soft brush, think feather duster vibes, a handheld vacuum with a brush attachment, a microfiber cloth, a gentle cleaning concoction, just mix mild dish soap with warm water, and a spray bottle. Step 3. Kick off with the dusting. Start from the top and work your way down, gently whisking away that superficial layer of dust with your soft brush or feather duster. It's a bit like giving your tree a pre-cleaning warm-up, getting rid of the easy stuff before we dive into the nitty-gritty. Step 4. Vacuuming vibes. Now that the loose stuff is out of the way, it's time to bring in the big guns, your handheld vacuum with the brush attachment. This superhero duo will suck up all those clingy particles that think they can hide in the nooks and crannies of your tree. Be thorough, get into every branch and corner, and show that dust who's boss. Step 5. Wipe away the grime. Armed with your microfiber cloth and that oh-so-gentle cleaning solution, it's time to get up close and personal with each branch. Wipe away the residue, ensuring every inch of your tree is free from dust and grime. Step 6. Tackling stubborn stains. Uh-oh, did you spot a stubborn stain on your tree? No worries, we've got a solution. Dampen a corner of your microfiber cloth with the cleaning concoction and give that spot some extra love. Pro tip: test it on a hidden spot first to make sure it plays nice with your tree's color. Step 7. Air it out. With the cleaning complete, let your artificial Christmas tree bask in the fresh air for a bit. Set it up in a well-ventilated area, maybe by a window or outdoors, and let it air dry. This ensures no sneaky moisture is trapped in the branches, leaving your tree pristine and ready for its moment in the holiday spotlight. Additional tips and advice. Storage wisdom. When the holidays wind down, don't just toss your tree into any old corner. Invest in a sturdy tree storage bag or box. It's like giving your tree a cozy winter coat, protecting it from dust and damage during its off-season hibernation. Maintenance magic. Consider giving your artificial tree a quick dusting before its grand assembly each year. It's a small effort that goes a long way in preventing a dust buildup, making your cleaning routine a breeze. 3. Say no to harsh chemicals. Keep it gentle, folks. Harsh cleaning chemicals might not be the best pals with your tree's material and color. Stick to mild solutions to keep that holiday glow intact. Fluff and fluff, some more. Once your tree is clean, take a moment to fluff and primp. It's like giving it a little styling session, ensuring it looks as lush and lifelike as the day it joined your festive family. Handle with care. Treat your artificial Christmas tree like the holiday VIP it is. Avoid any rough tugging or pulling on the branches. Let's keep the holiday drama confined to the family game night, shall we? In a nutshell, cleaning your artificial Christmas tree doesn't have to be a chore. With a bit of love, the right tools, and maybe a festive playlist, you can have that tree shining bright and stealing the show in no time. Here's to a season of sparkle and joy. Happy decorating! If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.